In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine Microsoft Word documents into one cohesive file. This can be incredibly useful if you're working on large projects, compiling various reports, or simply ensuring all your information is in one place. Let's dive right into the process and make it as simple as possible. First, you'll want to open the Word document that you wish to appear first in your combined file. This document will serve as the starting point or the foundation for your final compilation. Once your document is open, you'll need to position your cursor precisely where you intend the second document's contents to begin. This is crucial as it determines the exact spot the subsequent information will appear, maintaining the flow of your combined document. Next, you'll want to shift your attention to the ribbon, which is located at the top of your Word interface. The ribbon is essentially the control center, housing different tabs and tools. You'll need to select the Insert tab here, which contains various options for embedding different types of content into your document. Now look towards the far right of the ribbon to locate the Object button. It should be equipped with a small drop-down arrow next to it. This arrow is key because it indicates that there are additional options available. Go ahead and click this small arrow and a menu should expand in front of you. From the menu that appears, you'll want to select the option labeled Text from File. This choice is designed for exactly what we're aiming to do: insert text from another Word document into your current one seamlessly. Once you click on Text from File, a dialog box will appear on your screen. This box serves as a handy browsing tool to navigate through your computer's files. Here you'll need to find and select the second document you wish to combine with your first one. This is your chance to double-check the file's location and ensure you've selected the correct document to avoid any mistakes. When you're confident you found the right file, click Insert and ta-da! The contents of the second document will now be embedded directly into the first one at the exact spot you had initially selected. By following these steps, you can easily merge multiple Word documents into one, saving time and ensuring everything is neatly organized in a single file. As a tip, once you've combined your documents, it's a good idea to give your new file a thorough review, checking for any formatting issues or unwanted spaces. And there you have it, a straightforward way to keep your documents consolidated and efficiently managed. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.